All right. Any other issues that you want to hang your hat on is why it should be dismissed? It being these files.
Like I said, from the beginning, it's like the officer had already been notified 2 times prior to this that what I was doing was lawful, that what I was doing was not an ORV, which I had stated to him.
But that's
witness to that as well.
Purcell, with respect, that's all your opinion. Obviously, the officer had a different opinion about all those things.
Well,
right?
The officer chose to retaliate against me is what happened, Your Honor. Which I have the evidence and I have witnesses going on.
Or he had a difference of opinion about whether or not you were driving an ORV.
Or just didn't understand the laws or the actual wording.
That could be too. But guess who gets to make those decisions? At trial.
Well, honestly, the trial, I'd request a jury trial, which is guaranteed.
Well, you can't get a jury trial on the civil infraction, but you can certainly get a jury trial on the misdemeanor.
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you have anything else to be discussed today on motion day?
Well, yeah, and as far as the disclosed CPL, like I said, I have, again, stating I have the body cams and I have my own recording.
So stop. That's going to be an issue at your formal hearing, whether or not you violated that civil infraction. Once again, I got to have evidence, right? I got to take testimony. I'm going to hear from you. I'm going to hear from the officer that wrote the ticket. And then I'm going to decide at formal hearing whether or not what you did was reasonable or not reasonable. But today's just motion day. Today's not the trial. No testimony is being taken.
Oh, I understand that.
Okay. Anything else today?
Well, I guess that's no, but like I said, again, for the record, I do object to moving forward. I do object to anything moving forward from this point.
File your appeal.
No, that's fine. I will
file your appeal.
I'm going to. That's fine.
Okay. All right. Now, the 200, let's get back to the $280. We'll talk about a jury trial date. Are you going to represent yourself at a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck. Okay. So was the $280 posted as a bond when the initial default happened?
I believe so. I don't
Do you
know.
have any record of $280? Because we're not getting receipts in the file anymore.
I have the receipt right here, Your Honor.
Okay.